I start.
Okay. So already summarize sum applied.
Okay.
Other than totals, we have average,
Average,
min,
maximum,
max,
and
those
minimum.
things.
Mm-hmm.
Let us see here. You can see here
Total.
group level summary.
Okay.
Group level. So this group level subtotal, this is this group level subtotal, this is like that. Okay. In that group, how many records are there?
Mm-hmm.
Those records annual revenues gets calculated and displayed as a subtotal.
Subtotal. Okay.
And at the report level, this is the report level total.
Okay.
Total
Total of
value.
all the subtotals.
Hmm.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
And as of now, it is it's something around 4 crores 35,000 35
Yeah.
lakhs, right?
Yeah.
So I can subscribe for 5 crore value.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is the subscribe option. In the future, if it reaches to 5
5
crore,
crores. Okay.
then I should or someone should get alerts.
Notification. Okay.
Every week, every month, it should check the report with the fresh data, latest data, and alert me about that change.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll set that in the condition. If the record count it should display other value also, annual revenue, but it is not displaying. Let's see.
Yeah.
Now it
Annual.
displays
Okay.
because it is not saved earlier. Okay, so equal to 5 crores. 5 crores, right?
Yeah. 7 zeros. Yeah.
7 zeros.
Yeah.
Okay, in the future, if this gets annual revenue gets 5 crores, then
We'll get a notification.
alert will be sent to the user
Okay.
in the email form,
Okay.
right? So that is subscription. And what else we have? Edit, add to dashboard. This we'll see next. Add to dashboard. Okay. Yeah. So we have seen building the reports, grouping the report. So reports formats, we have 4 formats:
Mm-hmm.
joint format, summary, matrix, tabular formats.
Okay.
So those formats are here only. So if you apply the grouping, then that becomes the summary format.
Mm-hmm.
If no grouping, the plain report, then that is called a tabular report.
Tabular report. Okay.
If grouping applied both levels, column level, row level, then that is matrix format. I think matrix format we cannot make it in this lightning mode, lightning experience. And joined format, you can make it here. joined report.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all about reports. Tomorrow we'll see about dashboards.
I
Okay.
have a small doubt in one of the trail. If you have time, can you?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, let me know. You want to share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
So I started doing this admin intermediate trail, and in this we discussed about formulas and validations, right? So
Okay.
so in that there is a task to create the validation rules. So so here on which object should I exactly create the validation rule? Because I created on account object and on I tried to create on account object and on contact object, but both of them doesn't have this two fields.
Okay.
Yeah, so when I'm writing the condition, it is giving an error that these fields are not there.
Okay. Let us try. Let me share my screen.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, you can stop sharing your screen.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the task, right?
Yeah.
Create a validation rule that displays error message and from creating, updating a contact.
Yeah,
If
so it's
two
on the
conditions.
contact object, right?
We'll see.
Okay.
If two conditions are both true, contact must be in account zip code. Contact is associated with a contact ID. Account shipping zip code. Okay. I think this should be created an account, I guess.
But like in that playground where we do all these trails, all the tasks, I tried to do on both account and contact object, but I cannot find those fields, and it is throwing an error.
Yeah, that's okay. So this is the option, right?
Yeah, account, and here we have to choose the fields. Yeah, on the right side.
Mailing field. Contact mailing zip, account shipping zip. Account shipping zip. Account shipping zip. This one.
Okay.
Not equal to contact mailing zip. Contact. I think this should be created on contact, so you can get the contact and the account, both fields there.
But I tried there also.
Okay. contact mailing zip.
No, this one.
The contact mailing zip,
And shipping.
account shipping zip.
Okay, in contact.
Hmm.
Okay.
This one. Okay, both.
But here
not
it is. But here it is showing account dot shipping postal code, right? If we choose
Yeah.
like this, but in the
Mhm.
requirement they told the API names.
Yeah, that's fine. It's a related field, right? So that's why object API name comes along with this API name,
Okay.
because two different objects in the requirement. Okay.
Okay.
Two different objects. This
So this one for the first
hmm.
one. The
This belongs to
Okay.
This belongs to account account object.
Okay.
And where you are creating the validation rule you are creating on contact. So you are referring account field, account related field. That's why account dot this.
Oh, okay.
This is direct field from contact. That's why direct this API name comes.
Okay. For the
So no issue.
For the first condition, the contact is associated with an ID in a sense like the ID should not be blank, right? I mean, it should not.
Yeah, that means account should be referred in the contact. That means
Oh.
in the lookup, account lookup, you must select one value. See,
Okay.
the contact is associated with an account ID, means while creating the contact, you must select one account.
Okay.
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 So in case if the that value is missing, is blank, null, not functions, you will apply for this check whether that value is entered or not.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
See, this is one condition, right? What is another condition? Not is blank. Which value? Account ID.
Account ID. Okay.
Account ID will direct field, that is.
Okay.
So these are the two conditions. Two conditions, right? That's why. And this.
Okay.
Okay. Another close. Clear?
Okay.
So we have account ID not null condition, and also
Mailing postal code.
yeah,
Postal
this thing not equal to condition.
Yeah.
This
Thank
should,
you so much.
yeah, let us test this one.
Okay.
What is the title? Contact must be in a account zip code. Contact must be in account zip code. Active. No errors, right?
Okay.
So whatever the syntax we have taken, that is correct. Okay. Then what is the error message?
Anything we can enter an error message.
That can be anything, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Contact must be in account zip code. That is the error message.
Okay.
Where to display, on top of page or on the specific field. Let us check this one. So this, taking one contact, filling the account value.
Mhm. Zip.
Mailing city, mailing country, mailing zip. See here, contact must be in account zip code.
Yeah.
So to fix this, what you have to do?
Accounts.
Go to accounts. This is the account we are trying to link.
Yeah. Details.
This account shipping. I completely changed the view actually. That's why. I need to add the shipping details to it.
Okay, that's okay.
And
Yeah, we have to add here and both should be same.
I think it's there. Shipping. Yes. Okay, same zip.
Yeah.
So it is saved, right? Now
Okay.
it should allow. It's another issue.
Yeah, another issue.
Validation issue gone.
Okay.
This is something else, right?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye. Good
Bye
night.
bye.